Which mobile controller is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, 8-Bit Do Ultimate Controller. First up is the 8-Bit Do Ultimate Mobile Gaming Controller. Priced at $49.99, this controller grabbed my attention with its impressive Hall effect joysticks that promise precision. If you want a solid gaming experience on your Android device, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. Plus, it's designed for Android devices, fitting phones between 100 and 170 in length. With 4.5 stars from over 750 reviews, it's clear this controller is well loved. Ergonomically designed, it feels comfortable for those long gaming sessions, and the refined bumpers and D-pad are a pleasure to use. Here's the thing though, if you're not playing for hours on end, or if you remember to charge it regularly, you'll be just fine. This is perfect for you if you're an avid mobile gamer looking for a reliable controller that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something compatible with iOS devices. It's a solid value for what you get. Now, if the 8-Bit Do's price feels a bit steep, the next option on our list offers a fantastic alternative without sacrificing quality. Product number 2, GameSir X5 Lite Controller. Next up, we have the GameSir X5 Lite Mobile Gaming Controller. At just $34.99, it's lightweight and ergonomically designed, making it ideal for those intense gaming sessions. If you're looking for comfort without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. What caught my eye is its compatibility with both Android and iPhone devices, plus it stretches to fit screens up to 213. This means it can handle not just smartphones but also tablets. With over 1,600 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, gamers love its Hall effect sticks that provide precise control. The lightweight design, only 135.4 G, ensures you won't feel fatigued during long sessions, and the cushioned buttons make gameplay quieter and more comfortable. Now, some users mention that the turbo function can be a bit tricky to set up. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's a game changer for those repetitive tasks in games. This is perfect for you if you're a mobile gamer who values comfort and versatility. Skip this one if you're after a heavy-duty controller for console-level gaming. For the price, it's a great value. If the X5 Lite's lack of extra features bothered you, the next one steps up the game significantly. Product number 3, GameSir G8 Galileo Controller. The third pick is the GameSir G8 Galileo Type-C Mobile Gaming Controller, priced at $79.99. This one caught my attention with its magnetic detachable faceplates and sleek design. If you want a personalized controller experience, this is definitely a contender. What really stood out is its plug-and-play capability with both Android and iPhone 15 series devices. Plus, with its pass-through charging and 3.5 audio jack, you can stay connected while playing. With a 4.3-star rating from over 3,300 reviews, players appreciate the smooth gameplay and responsive controls. Here's why this matters. If you're serious about gaming and want something that looks great and performs even better, this controller delivers on all fronts. However, some users noted that it requires a specific firmware version to function optimally. Look, it's not a deal breaker, but just something to keep in mind if you're not tech savvy. This is perfect for you if you want a premium controller experience with customizable aesthetics. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward, cheaper option. It's a bit pricier, but you definitely get what you pay for. Alright, if the G8's complex setup seemed daunting, the next product on our list offers simplicity without sacrificing fun. Product number 4, Nuzigo Mobile Game Controllers. Next, let's talk about the Nuzigo Mobile Game Controllers. At a mere $7.99, these little triggers are a budget-friendly way to enhance your mobile gaming. If you're looking for something simple yet effective, this is worth considering. These mobile triggers let you aim and fire simultaneously, which can drastically improve your performance in competitive games like PUBG. They're incredibly sensitive, meaning you won't miss those crucial shots, and the snap-in design keeps everything aligned. Plus, they're adjustable to fit various phone sizes, even with cases on. With a 4-star rating from about 1,300 reviews, gamers love their simplicity and effectiveness. Here's why this matters for you. If you're not ready to invest in a full controller but want better control during your games, these triggers are an excellent low-cost option. Now, some users have mentioned occasional alignment issues, but honestly, if you're careful while setting them up, they should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable boost to your gameplay without a hefty investment. Skip this if you prefer a full controller setup for more extensive features. At this price, it's a fantastic bargain. If that simple setup appeals to you, wait until you hear about our final product. Product number 5. pubg MC1 Phone Controller. Finally, we have the pubg MC1 Phone Controller. Priced at $33.98, this controller is all about ergonomics and low latency, making it a great companion for both iPhone and Android gamers. If you're after comfort and reliability, this could be your go-to. What stands out is its Hall effect joystick technology, which promises a lifespan of up to 5 million cycles. Plus, it supports cloud gaming and has a case-friendly design, so you can keep your phone protected while playing. With a 4.4-star rating from over 600 reviews, users love its ergonomic grip, and the adjustable RGB lighting adds a fun touch to your gaming setup. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who plays frequently and wants something that feels great in your hands, you'll appreciate the comfort and durability of this controller. However, some reviewers noted that the battery life could be better. But look, for casual gaming, that shouldn't be a deal-breaker, especially with how comfortable it feels during long sessions. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comfortable, feature-rich controller that won't break the bank. Skip this if you're very particular about battery performance. For the price, it's a solid investment in your mobile gaming experience. To wrap things up, we've covered the 8-bit Do Ultimate, GameSir X5 Lite, GameSir G8 Galileo Newsigo triggers, and the pubg MC1. Each has its unique strengths, whether it's precision, customization, or affordability. So whether you're a serious gamer or just looking to have some fun, there's definitely a controller here for you.